DJI is gearing up to release the DJI Osmo Nano, a brand new compact camera, according to recent FCC filings and analysis from DroneXL's resident DJI expert, Jasper Ellens. This cutting-edge device, uncovered through regulatory documentation, signals DJI's newest move into the action camera space. Designed with portability and wearable use in mind, the Osmo Nano aims to appeal to content creators, athletes, and drone fans alike with its fresh, compact design. The DJI Osmo Nano recently surfaced in the FCC database, listed under model numbers on 001 for the camera and OD001 for its display, with the filings dated February 20th, 2025. These records suggest the device is nearing the end of the regulatory approval process and could be officially launched within the next 6 months, possibly as soon as August 2025. Jasper Ellens, a prominent DJI rumors expert within the drone community, highlighted the news on DroneXL on May 25, 2025. He noted that the Osmo Nano represents part of DJI's expanding footprint in the action camera market, joining upcoming releases like the DJI Mic 3 and Osmo 360. The Osmo Nano sets itself apart from previous DJI products with a fresh design focused on portability. According to the FCC filings, it falls under UNI devices and low-power transmitters using spread spectrum techniques, indicating efficient wireless connectivity and low power consumption. The camera is expected to feature a magnetic mounting system, similar to that used in the DJI Mic series, making it perfect for wearable applications. This design would allow users to easily attach the camera to their clothing or gear, catering especially to action sports enthusiasts and drone pilots looking to capture first-person views. Importantly, the Osmo Nano is not a 360-degree camera, but rather emphasizes traditional action camera functions. Though specific specs have yet to be revealed, the presence of a separate display unit suggests a modular approach, potentially enabling users to monitor footage in real time. The Nano name implies a very compact size, likely making this one of DJI's smallest cameras, weighing only a few ounces and offering a highly portable solution for recording on the move. With the Osmo Nano, DJI is stepping into direct competition with established action camera brands like GoPro and Insta360. While GoPro's Hero series is renowned for its durability and high-resolution video, and Insta360 specializes in 360-degree cameras, the Osmo Nano offers a unique combination of magnetic mounting and a compact, lightweight design. This makes it especially attractive for users involved in fast-paced activities like FPV drone flying or extreme sports. DJI's emphasis on wearable functionality also suggests seamless integration with its drone lineup, providing pilots with an innovative tool for capturing creative aerial footage. Jasper Ellens pointed out that the Osmo Nano is part of a broader lineup of new DJI products, including the DJI Mic 3 and Osmo 360, highlighting the company's strategy to broaden its product range. This approach could give DJI an edge by creating a unified ecosystem where users can easily connect their cameras with DJI drones and audio devices, streamlining the content creation process.